Can household items break down septic tank solids? Septic tanks rely on a delicate balance of bacteria to decompose waste. Over time, solids settle as sludge at the bottom, while oils and grease form a scum layer. Homeowners often wonder, can household items break down septic tank solids effectively without harming the system? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. While some household products may help, others can do more harm than good. Here's a breakdown. 1. Enzyme-based cleaners. These products contain natural bacteria and enzymes that target organic waste like fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Used correctly, they can support solid breakdown without disrupting the tank's ecosystem. 2. Baking soda and vinegar, often suggested as natural solutions, they mainly reduce odors rather than digest solids. Excessive use may alter the tank's pH and inhibit beneficial bacteria. 3. Bleach and disinfectants. Strong chemicals kill harmful microbes but also destroy the essential bacteria needed for decomposition. Frequent use can slow sludge breakdown. 4. Food waste additives. Small amounts of food scraps may integrate harmlessly, but large quantities can overwhelm the bacteria, increasing sludge accumulation. 5. Septic bacterial supplements. Specially formulated products can boost microbial activity, supporting faster solid decomposition. They work best alongside regular pumping and proper tank care. While some household items like enzyme cleaners and bacterial supplements can assist in breaking down septic solids, the safest approach is maintaining a healthy microbial balance, limiting harsh chemicals, and scheduling regular pumping. Remember, proper care ensures your septic system functions efficiently for years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.